Here's how to download free games for your Nintendo Switch 2. Now the first thing you want to do is head over to your home screen, and then you want to head over to the Nintendo eShop, which is going to be this one down here. You could just go ahead and press on it. Of course, use one of your Nintendo accounts. If you don't have an account, you could create one for free, pressing on the plus sign in there, but I do have an account. So once you log in here onto the eShop, what you're going to do is head over to where it says search and browse here on the left side. And then what you're going to do in here, guys, is scroll all the way down until you see the filter search option. Then go ahead and press on it. And in here, you're going to look for price range right here, this option. You're going to press on it and you're going to select free, and then go ahead and hit search. Now once you hit search, you're gonna get a lot of free games in here, guys, and now you could just look for whatever game you want to play. Now something else that you can do to get free games is head over to search and browse, and instead of using filter search, you could press where it says view all software, and then right here where it says best sellers, you want to change that to price low to high. Then go ahead and hit that, and it's going to give you all the free games that you could download for free on the Switch 2 in here. And let's say for example that you wanted to get, I don't know, for example Fortnite, you could press on it, and then what you will do in here is press free download. Then you will go all the way down, press free download one more time, and now your game will start downloading. And if you head over to your homepage, you will see that Fortnite will add into your game cards, and then it's probably going to start downloading right away onto your Switch 2, and you will see it appear right here. There you guys have it, how to get free games on the Nintendo Switch 2. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.